Hello, I'm Lee from Kaspersky. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create automatic installation rules to automatically install Kaspersky Endpoint Security and Network Agent to your customers' client devices automatically. So here you can see your Kaspersky Security Center, and within here we've built a virtual administration server for customer A. We've already built relocation rules to automatically move devices into the managed devices group, and now we want to automatically deploy the protection to those devices. To do so, we right click on the relevant group, click on Properties, Automatic Installation. Here is pulled a list of all of the installation packages we've created in the remote installation node. What we then need to do is just choose the two packages that we want to deploy. In this case, Kaspersky Network Agent and Kaspersky Endpoint Security for Windows. We apply and OK this. Now what we've done now is built a task that runs every hour within that group for devices that don't already have those packages installed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. In the next videos, we'll take you through some of the other automation functionality within Kaspersky's MSP multi-tenancy solution via Kaspersky Security Center. Goodbye.